So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
Alright, so welcome to another vlog. And for today's video, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-multiply ng fractions. Okay, so napakadali lang yan, okay? We multiply the numerator to the numerator and then denominator to denominator. Okay, so paano yan? Okay, papakita natin through the following examples. Okay, so first example natin, we have 2/3 times 4/5. So, multiply natin numerator to numerator. That's 2 times 4 and we get 8. Okay, and then we have denominator to denominator, 3 times 5 and we get 15. Okay, so 2/3 times 4/5 is equal to 8 over 15. And this is our final answer. Okay. Next naman, we have 3/4 times 2/5. Okay, so same method, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay, so 3 times 2 and we get 6. Okay, and then 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Okay, or we put it into its lowest form and we get 3 over 10. Okay, so yun yung ating magiging final answer. Okay, so 3/4 times 2/5 is equal to 3/10. Okay. Okay, so next example natin, we have 2/5 times 2. So yung isa nating factor is a whole number. So automatic, ang denominator niyan is 1. Okay, try natin i-solve. Okay, so 2/5 times 2 over 1. Okay, so same lang, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So we get 2 times 2 is 4 and 5 times 1 is 5. And since yun na yung lowest form niya, that will be our final answer. Okay. So, next example, meron na tayong tatlong fractions. Okay, so we get 1/6 times 2/3 times 1/2. Okay, so same method, numerator to numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator to denominator. So, 1 times 2, that's 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So, we put 2. And then, 6 times 3, that's 18 times 2 is equal to 36. Okay. And convert natin sa lowest form and we'll get 1 over 18. Okay. So 1/6 times 2/3 times 1/2 is equal to 1 over 18. Alright. So next example, same process lang din. Okay. So 2/3 times 1/4 times 3/6. Okay, so we get numerator to numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator to denominator. So 2 times 1, that's 2 times 3, and we get 6. Okay. And then 3 times 4, okay, that is 12. Okay, 12 times 6, and we get 72. Convert natin sa lowest form, and we will get, okay, 1 over 12. Okay. So, ang final answer natin, 2/3 times 1/4 times 3/6 is equal to 1/12. So, next example, meron naman tayo dito mga mixed fractions. Okay, so paano natin yan i-multiply? Ko-convert muna natin yan sa improper fractions. Okay. So, how to do that? Okay. I-multiply natin yung denominator sa whole number. Okay, so we have 3 and then we're going to multiply that to 2. Okay, so lagay natin yan dito. Okay, and then plus the numerator. Okay, so and we will get 3 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. So, yun yung magiging numerator natin. And then, kukopihin lang natin yung denominator. Okay, so 7/3. Okay, times. Okay, so same process. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3, and kopyahin natin yung denominator, we have 3 halves. Okay, and then same method lang. Okay, numerator to numerator. So we'll get there 7 times 3, and then denominator to denominator, 3 times 2. So we get 21 over 6. And then, ko-convert natin yun sa kanyang lowest terms. Okay. So 21 over 6 is also, okay, 7 over 2. Meron pa ulit yung lowest form. Okay, so we get 3 and 1 half. Okay, so ang final answer natin, 2 and 1/3 times 1 and 1 half is equal to 3 and 1 half. Okay, so next example, same process lang din. Okay, we will convert it to improper fractions first. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Okay, plus 2 is equal to 8. Lagyan natin yan sa numerator, and we copy the denominator, which is 3. So 8/3. Okay, times. Okay, so 5 times 1, we get 5. Okay, and then plus 2, and we get 7. So lagay natin yan sa numerator, and then kopyahin ang denominator. Okay, so same process. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So we get 8 times 7 is 56. Then 3 times 5 is 15. So convert natin yan sa lowest terms. Okay, and we get, okay, ang answer natin will be 3 and 11 over 15. Okay, so 2/3 plus 1/5 is equal to 3/11 over 15. So, ang dali lang, diba? I hope na madami kayo natutunan sa video na to. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.